idiot!
Did the tripboard switch again?
Switchboard's fine, the power's out.
I don't want to work another weekend.
It's all right, I'll just fire up the Jennies.
Hang on, we can't. Remember? Fuel crisis? Fuck. There goes my yoga class tomorrow morning.
Hang on, Lobby. Don't give up on the cat-cow post just yet. Battery 1 locked and loaded.
Battery 2 on its way.
Cable management optimised. The solar infeed is online. AC current accumulating. Solar and the pedal power charge the battery banks, which runs through the inverter to power the arc. Huh, like a closed loop system.
What the fuck?
Battery synchronisation complete.
Test rotation, good.
Never doubt old Kippy boy. Power's holding good. We're pulling 80 amps across the array. Pedal harder, love. We need all the juice we can get.
Oh, I'm giving it all I've got.
We've got a sudden drop in solar infeed. Lobby, put it in top gear. Power infeed is climbing. Lobby, what's wrong?
I'm cramping.
Barry, the electrolytes, quick. Electrolytes, okay. Here, love, drink this.
What'd you give me?
Power supplies are increasing.
I feel great.
Good job, keep it up.
There's something wrong.
Hang in there, Lobby. Lobby? Man down. Leave him, Barry. Get on. My time to shine. Last weld. Hang in there, babe. Mission accomplished. Oh, thank God. He's cramping.